Hey everybody, this is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Seminole Shores, Florida. I had to kind of wait till about 1 o'clock this afternoon for it to warm up. I feel for some of my brethren detailers that are out there in the cold up north, things like that. Me, it was 50 degrees this morning. I think it was 55 when I got here. And to me, that's really cold, so I was kind of babying myself. But being from Northeast Ohio, I know how the cold is. To get to the point, today this beautiful 2013 Porsche 911 is gotten a door ding. I'm not sure if all of the paint is gone, so I've brought some correction lights. Where am I here on the film? Yeah, here's my correction lights. They are on. Love these things. They are both on. And it will help a bit, but I have this also. I'll bring you in. So we've got a nice scrape. To me, that looks like all the paint is gone, but you know, every scratch is different. I've got one running up here. This looks like a door was opened into the car, into the parking lot. I am the only person who washes this car, as you can see from the mark here where someone has wiped their finger. You know, there's got a fair amount of road film on this vehicle. So my approach to this is I've got some you know, different ways of attacking that scratch and trying to polish it out. Obviously, I've got to, you know, clean up everything. I have my Rupes Millet here, so I'm going to, yes, in my Surehold bag. So I'm going to bust out the polisher. I've got a Lake Country Orange Force pad, and I've got also a white CC, I think it's CCV pad by Lake Country. I've got my clay, I've got my synthetic clay, I've got my clay lube, I've got a number, I've got Just Car correcting compound as my big boy. I've also got Sonax Perfect Finish. I don't want to go too aggressive. I'm just going to kind of see what I can do and make that look as good as I can for her, and go from there. And then I'm just going to clean the car up. So this is going to be the before. There'll be an after. See how well I can do. I'm not going to actually, you know, film while working and show you, you know, techniques of taking out scratches. You might want to see that, but I've got other videos on that. So this is just my standard, you know, with the scratch removal mobile detail. So I'm going to take care of most of what I can outside, and then I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the garage and take care of the rest of the car. And I'm going to use Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish actually as my sealant on this. I like that. There's a lot of PPF. This entire front of the car is all PPF, the lights, everything, the grille. And I like the Meguiar's product over the PPF, although there's plenty of choices out there. So anyway, I thank you for being with me. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, like, and go ahead and leave me a comment. Love to see the comments. I guess I'm mispronunciating a lot of different things. People have been pointing me out. The pronunciation police have been on me, which I find quite humorous, but I do say things wrong all the time. I'm very well known of having my own dictionary and just being ridiculous when it comes to that. So anyway, keep correcting me. It's all good. And until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. I thank each and every one of you for taking a view of my channel. Bye.